Yes, I'm a masochist and decided to film in 102-degree heat. Bear with me. Hello, my name is Blondie and welcome to Blondiewood. And in today's video, we're going to talk about the cult horror film Jennifer's Body. Join me as I create one of the most iconic looks from the movie. If you would like to know more about the products that I used to create this look, you'll find links listed below in the description box. Please make sure to tap that little pink subscription button for all future content. And I think a fly just flew through my screen. Stop trying to steal my thunder. Now, without further ado, Blondiewood presents Jennifer's Body. The film stars Megan Fox as Jennifer and Amanda Seyfried as Needy. Is it Seyfried or Seyfried? Jump in my comments. Correct me, I'm not sure. I should know this. Really, by now I should know this. Seyfried? Seyfried. The film was written... Oh my god, why? The film was written by Diablo Cody, coming off her Oscar win for Best Screenplay for the film Juno. And the film was directed by Karen Kusama, who is known for her films Girl Fight and The Invitation. Megan Fox was the #1 choice to play Jennifer, however, Blake Lively was also in talks for the role. Honestly though, I couldn't imagine anyone but Megan Fox playing Jennifer, could you? It would be like if someone else was to play Veronica Sawyer in Heathers, like it just wouldn't fit. The role of Needy may have also taken a different approach with the possible casting of Emma Stone. The role ultimately went to Amanda Seyfried. With her sweet and doe-eyed demeanor, Amanda Seyfried, I'm just gonna say Seyfried because it just feels natural. She was the perfect fit for Needy. Off the back of Diablo Cody's Oscar success, she decided to write a film that didn't conform to the Hollywood norm. A lover of horror, she wanted to write a film that was for girls, a film that would show something that she found truly terrifying: high school girls. I love that Cody took a risk with this film, and she made a film that we haven't already seen 1,000 times before. At the time, the film received a multitude of bad reviews due to poor decisions made by the marketing team. I'll admit the first time I saw it, I too was a little confused. I wonder if the film was marketed more like Jawbreakers or Heathers, if it would have been more beloved from the beginning. During the test screening phase, 2 types of people were chosen to review the film. Fans of Juno, who were ultimately horrified because they were going in thinking that they were going to see this fun, quirky, sweet comedy, and young men hoping to see Megan Fox take her clothes off. Naturally, both groups were not shown what they had hoped for, and so followed a confused and angry audience. I mean, could you blame them? During the film's marketing, Karen Kusama had to fight with the film's marketing team to stop them from asking Megan Fox to do a live Q&A on a porn website. Gross. It became apparent that the film wasn't going to be represented the way it should. One of the main tactics used during marketing was to show a steamy kiss between Megan and Amanda. The kissing scene was written to show a deep connection that girls can have in relationships growing up, and was intended to be a profound moment between the 2 characters. In an interview for ET, Megan said that after the film, she suffered a psychological breakdown, mainly due to the way that she was treated within the whole industry. Megan was often over-sexualized in the roles that she played, and because of how she looked, no one took her seriously when she spoke up about the way she was being mistreated. Fox said the scene in which Jennifer is sacrificed mirrored what was actually going on in her real life. And this was all before the Me Too movement. If you're interested in seeing that interview, I'll link it down in the description box below. The film celebrated its 10-year anniversary last year, and it finally has the cult status it deserves. Not only did the film represent bisexuality during a coming of age, it also brings up the severity of abuse and the importance of consent, while also showing the impact that toxic relationships can have on a young woman. The more I watch Jennifer's Body, the more I love it. I mean, how could you not? A grotesque vomit scene using Hershey's chocolate syrup instead of CGI? Amazing. A succubus that devours young boys after being murdered in the woods by a group of men. Following years of being objectified for being the hot girl, Jennifer's Body isn't your run-of-the-mill popular girl versus nerdy girl film. It goes much deeper than that, while also making you laugh along the way, which is why it has the cult status it has today. I hope that we see more female filmmakers taking over the horror scene and pushing the envelope. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's the little pink button down below. You'll see it pop up on my screen. Take care of each other. I'll see you soon.